It's going to be another game changer for the commercial battery space.
Yeah, so tell us a bit about the new C&I products, Will.
Yeah, so this is SigenStack. So this is our new range of commercial inverters and batteries that is hopefully going to get CEC listed before the end of this year. We've got various options on the inverter. So 3 different types. So we've got purely a grid tie inverter, and then we've got 2 versions of the hybrid. So the HYA, which is the on-grid only hybrid inverter, and then we've got the HYB that does off-grid as well. 4 sizes, so we've got 50, 99.9, 110 and 125 kilowatts. And then they're compatible with the SigenStack batteries. So modular batteries, like SigenStore, but they're bigger. So we've got 12 kilowatt hour modules. And then obviously you've got your battery controller that sits at the top and connects to the inverter. So you can do up to 21 batteries per inverter, 252 kilowatt hours. You can then parallel up to 100 systems, so you can get up to 25 meg. Really easy to install, a lot more flexible than your typical battery cabinet style solutions. Easier to commission. Obviously a lot of cost savings. You don't need to factor in ongoing operations and maintenance. So it's going to be another game changer for the commercial battery space.
Yeah, and if you've installed SigenStore, SigenStack's very similar.
Yeah, same concepts. The only difference is obviously it's bigger. The inverter isn't integrated into the stack of batteries. So, and obviously you guys have got your range of custom gateways that we've been working with you on, which is another option for the customer to back everything up.
Yeah, we've had a look at some jobs already, and we're starting to get a feel for what types of custom gateways we might need. So we've got some designs in the pipeline, and it's going to be, I think, a really simple product to use on these commercial jobs. So it's going to open us all up to a lot more